If your PC is crawling, throwing constant errors, or stuck with malware that just won't quit, sometimes the fastest fix is wiping the slate clean. A factory reset can do that without any install disk, and I'm going to show you how to do it whether you want to keep your files, wipe everything, or your PC won't even boot right now. Before you touch anything, back up your documents, photos, and anything important to an external drive or the cloud. If you're resetting because of malware, use an external drive instead of Cloud Sync, so you don't upload anything nasty along with your files. Jot down any software license keys you'll need. Again, make sure you know your Wi-Fi password and plug your laptop in. This process can easily take an hour or more. Start by pressing Windows plus I to open Settings, then click Update and Security, and select Recovery from the sidebar. Under Reset this PC, click Get Started. On some newer builds, it might just say Reset PC. Now you'll choose your path. Pick Keep My Files if you just want to remove installed apps and settings, but leave your personal stuff untouched. Or choose Remove Everything for a true factory reset that wipes files, apps, accounts, and settings. Next, pick how Windows gets reinstalled. Cloud Download grabs a fresh copy, about 4 gigabytes, straight from Microsoft, which is your best bet if system files might be corrupted or infected. Local Reinstall reuses what's already on your PC, so it's faster and doesn't use extra data. If you chose Remove Everything, you'll get one more choice. Just Remove My Files is the quick option, around 30 minutes, and it's fine if you're keeping the PC. But if you're selling, donating, or recycling it, choose Remove Files and clean the drive. It takes longer, sometimes several hours, but it actually overwrites the drive so your data can't be recovered. Click Next, take a second to review the summary of what's about to happen, and then click Reset. Your PC is going to restart multiple times during this, so just leave it be until it's done and walks you through setup again. Now, if Windows won't even boot, here's your workaround. Lock the screen with Windows plus L, click the power icon, then hold Shift and click Restart, or just let the PC fail to boot 3 times in a row and it'll drop into recovery automatically. On the blue, choose an option screen, go to Troubleshoot, then Reset this PC, and pick Keep My Files, Remove Everything, or, on some branded PCs, Restore to Factory Settings. Once setup wraps up, don't skip this last part. Open Settings, head to Update and Security, then Windows Update, and click Check for Updates to grab any missing security patches. And if something like your graphics or audio isn't working right, click View Optional Updates, open the Driver Updates tab, and install whatever's listed there. And that's it. A clean, fresh version of Windows, whether your PC was crawling, glitching, or wouldn't even start. If this saved you a trip to the repair shop, give the video a like and subscribe to Online Tech Tips for more fixes like this one.